Welcome back to the Gold and Silver Update, brought to you by the #1 rated precious metals company, Goldco. Hi there, I'm Ron, and thank you so much for joining us today. The news cycle doesn't sleep, and neither do I. And I found an interesting trend as of late. One day we hear about these great job numbers, that everything looks rosy. And then the next day we hear about mass layoffs. So, which is it? Is it a booming economy, or are we in trouble? Well, according to Fox Business, layoffs surged 136% in January to the second highest level on record. For a booming job market, you'd think that this wasn't the case, right? So if you're scratching your head like me, well, welcome to the club. Here's a direct quote from the article. The pace of job cuts by U.S. employers accelerated at the start of 2024, a sign the labor market is starting to deteriorate in the face of ongoing inflation and high interest rates. As always, we want to know what you think, so let us know in the comments what you make of all this disjointed news. Now, to add fuel to the fire, there are now reports that the U.S.'s national debt has finally hit its limit. According to Bloomberg, America's debt spiral is nearing a critical threshold. Because the debt is now $34 trillion and rising, the U.S. will need to pay interest on those loans. And with higher interest rates, we need to spend more each year than we do on national defense. That's a scary thought, right? I mean, how far do you think this debt spiral can go? 36 trillion? 40 trillion? 50 trillion? Can it really go on like this forever? Well, what's your prediction? We want to know, so put it in the comments down below. We always love hearing your feedback, and yes, we do read them. So, with these mass layoffs and the debt spiral issue taking center stage, it's no wonder we're seeing record gold demand. In fact, gold purchases from central banks was the leading cause of last year's surge. They exceeded 1,000 tons for 2 straight years. There's gotta be a reason these central banks are chomping at the bits to get their hands on all of this gold. So the real question is, will you let them buy it all up? Or will you take the necessary steps to diversify your savings with gold before it's too late? That's a wrap for today, everyone. I hope you really enjoyed today's update. And don't forget to show us some love by giving us a thumbs up and clicking on that subscribe button. We really enjoy everyone who watches. And remember, this market update is brought to you by the #1 rated precious metals company, Goldco. Goldco has helped thousands of satisfied customers protect themselves over the years, making over $2.5 billion in precious metals placements. With direct relationships with mints around the world, they work hard to bring their customers gold coins and gold bars that are guaranteed to be authentic. And their customers' 5-star reviews are a testament to their dedication to quality products and customer service. So if you're looking to diversify your hard-earned savings with precious metals like gold and silver, it's important to work with partners you can really trust. And right now, Goldco is offering you a free gold IRA kit to help make that happen. To get your free gold IRA kit today, simply click on the link below in the description or give Goldco a call right now to get started. Until our next glittering journey, stay curious and, as always, keep shining.